For this shop, we're re-adding all our since most of our customers are male, we're adding all our men's low top sneakers, men's boots, and then next we're gonna be adding men's leggings and men high tops, sneakers and mesh sneakers. And give comments down below what else you like to add to this Etsy shop for your shopping. And all these prices on our Etsy shop is going to be much higher than our normal shop because we have to pay a very high transaction fee if we list our products there. But that's how we get our traffic. And all these items of it are mostly animal prints, are more popular items and unique prints. That's since we started the shop, it was very popular. And since winter is coming and we want to make it for the Thanksgiving sale items, so we're adding more boots for men and women as well. And next we'll be adding more women's floral boots, winter boots, because a lot of ladies love our floral prints and animal prints, so we definitely will add this to our store. We have heard a lot of good things about our winter boots, so that's why we'll be adding more. And these are very high quality boots, and they're worth every penny, and we try to keep our prices as low as possible, even though they are very expensive items. Just the cost of it itself is also very high for us. So yeah, like, please feel free to go shop with us on Etsy, and we'll be running different kinds of sales. And again, please order carefully and review the sizes before you order, because we do not offer any returns, exchanges, or cancellations. So, but we do provide size charts for every single item. And leave us a kind review if you like our products. And we have the winter boots in 2 different colors. In the sole, they have black and brown color sole, rubber sole. And we also have different colors for the sneakers, and it has black sole or white sole for the low tops. And feel free to leave us a review on Google and also Etsy. So yeah, shop with us again, and thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already been doing so yet. And our YouTube is growing fast, and I'm very grateful for all your support, and we'll be adding more items. Comments down below which kind of boots is your favorite print. Do you like stripes, camel, flash, kind of a galaxy print, leopard prints, or cheetah prints? Comments down below zebra prints, which print you love. And have a great day.